Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to downshift your Subaru WRX. First, understand that downshifting is crucial for maintaining control and power delivery, especially when approaching corners or needing quick acceleration. It's about preparing your car for the next move, ensuring the engine is in its optimal power band. We will cover the essential techniques to make your downshifts smooth and effective, enhancing your driving experience significantly. Let's get started with the fundamentals. The core of smooth downshifting is rev matching. As you depress the clutch and move the shifter to a lower gear, you need to briefly blip the throttle. This quick blip, typically raising the engine speed by 1,000 to 2,000 RPMs, helps the engine revolutions match the new gear's speed. Releasing the clutch smoothly, over about 1/2 second, as the RPMs align prevents any jarring or lurching, ensuring a seamless transition and preserving your drivetrain components. For more advanced driving, especially on track or spirited roads, mastering the heel-toe technique is invaluable. This allows you to brake and rev match simultaneously. While braking with the ball of your right foot, you use the side or heel of that same foot to blip the throttle. This coordinated action ensures you can shed speed efficiently while preparing for the next gear, maintaining stability and power delivery through corners. It takes practice, but it is incredibly rewarding. Like any driving skill, consistent practice is key to mastering downshifting. Start in a safe, open area where you can focus without distractions. Pay close attention to the feel of the clutch and the sound of the engine as you blip the throttle. Aim for smooth, consistent inputs rather than speed initially. As your confidence grows, gradually introduce more challenging scenarios. With dedication, you will soon be executing perfect downshifts every time, enhancing your driving enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.